Good morning children, welcome to Narayana Lab classes. So today I would like to discuss some mathematics assignment questions in 6th class children. So the first question is all about, first one, write all the twin primes between 1 and 20. So as we all know that twin primes are nothing but we need to take only prime numbers where the difference between two prime numbers must be two children. So the twin primes between 1 and 20 are the twin primes between 1 and 20 are 3, 5, yes, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 respectively. So all these, when you observe over here, all the numbers whatever you have taken are prime numbers children, and the difference between each and every number is 2. It differs by 2. So therefore we can say that 3, 5 or 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, all these numbers are said to be called as a twin primes. The only thing is the numbers must be a prime number and they must differ by 2. Now coming to the second one children, which of the following pairs are co-primes? Under the first one, 3 and 8. So what are co-primes which has common factor 1 is said to be called as the co-prime. So when you take the 3 as a number, the factors of 3 are, I'll write the factors over here, the factors of 3 are 1, 3. Okay, when you take the factors of 8 children, 1 8s are 8, 2 4s are 8, in 3 table it is not multiple, in 4 table 4 2s are 8. So the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. Now when you compare all the factors of 3 and 8 children, common factor is equal to 1 is the only common factor in between 3 and 8. 1 is the only common factor. If 1 is a common factor, then we can say that these 3, 8 are said to be called as a co-prime. So therefore 3, 8 are co-primes. So meanwhile, we do have one more question under this children, that is 18 and 35. Second one, 18 and 35. When you write the factors of 18 children, 1 18s are 18, yes, 2 9s are 18, next in 3 table, 3 6s are 18, in 4 table, 4 5s are 20, no it is not multiple, okay, again in 5 table it is not multiple, so in 6 table, so the factors are 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. 6, 9, 18. So similarly, when you take 35 children, the factors of 35 are 1, 35s are 35. Yes, in 2 table it is not multiple, in 3 table no not multiple, 4 also it is not multiple, in 5 table 5 7s are 35. So the factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7, 35. Now the common factor among this is what children? 1 is the only common factor. Yes or no? 1 is the only common factor. So therefore 18 and 35 are co-primes. Yes? I hope it is clear to everyone children. Now coming to the third question children. Third one, write all the common factors the common factors, write all the common factors of 15 and 25. So when you take the numbers, that is 15, the factors of 15 are 1 15 are 15. Yes, in 2 table it is not multiple, in 3 table 3 5s are 15. Yes, in 5 table 5 3s are. So therefore the factors are 1 3 5 15. Yes, these are the factors of 15. Now when you come across 25 children, the number 25, the factors of 25 are 1 25s are 25. In 2 table it is not multiple, 3 table no, 4 also it is not multiple. In 5 table 5 5s are 25. So therefore the factors of 25 are, what are the children? 1 5 and 25. 1 5 and 25. So when you compare the common factors between 15 and 25 children, the common factors are 1 comma 5. So therefore the common factors of 15 and 25 are 1 comma 5. Yes, I hope it is clear to everyone, children. So these 1 comma 5 are the common factors among the factors of 15 and 25. Now coming to the next question, children. Fourth one. Find the prime and composite numbers between 20 and 30. So between 20 and 30, they are asking us to write down the prime and composite numbers. So prime numbers which has only 2 factors. Yes or no, children? Prime numbers having are nothing but a number which is having only 2 factors is said to be called as a prime number. So the prime numbers in between 20 and 30 are 23 and 29. And composite numbers in between 20 and 30. What is a composite number, children? A composite number can be defined as the number which has more than 2 factors. This is said to be called as a composite number. So the composite numbers are 21, 22, 23 already is a prime number, children. So 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Yes. So 25, 26, 27. 28. So all these numbers are said to be called as a composite number where it has more than 2 factors. Now coming to the fifth one, children. Write the factors of 96. They have given a number so called 96. They are asking us to write down the factors of this number. Now in one table, 196 are 96. Yes. In 2 table, 2 4s are 8. 1 carry 16. 2 8s are 16. So 2 48s are 96. Yes. In 3 table, 3 32s are 96. In 4 table, 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16. Yes, so 24s are 96. In 5 table, it is not multiple, children. In 6 table, 6 1s are 6, 36 6 6 are 36. So 6 16s are 36. In 7 table, 7 1s are 8 9 26. No, it is not multiple. In 8 table, 8 1s are 8. Yes. In 8 table, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 12s are 36. In 9 table, no, it is not multiple. 9 10s are 90. And 9 11s are 99. It is not multiple, children. In 10 table, obviously it is not. In 11 also it is not. Now again in 12 table means you need to write down in the reverse order. So therefore, the factors of 96 are, write down, children. 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 16 24 32 24 32 48 and 96. 48 and 96 respectively. So all these are the factors of the number so called 96. Yes, I hope it is clear to everyone, children. So these are the questions we need to discuss in this session, and in the tomorrow's session we'll come up with a few more examples. I hope it is clear to everyone, children. Thank you all.